Dear students, in today's class, we shall discuss about distance between two skew lines. Now, first, what is a skew lines? Two non-parallel lines which do not intersect are called skew lines. Two non-parallel lines. Here line 1 and line 2 are non-parallel lines. These two lines which do not intersect are called skew lines. Now, what is the distance between skew lines? Here PQ is what is the length of PQ length? What is the distance of PQ, these two lines? Now, let L1 and L2 be two skew lines with equations R vector is equal to A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector, so called as equation number 1, and R vector is equal to A2 vector plus lambda B2 vector, so called as equation number 2. Let L1 and L2 be two skew lines with the equations R vector is equal to A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector and R vector is equal to A2 vector plus lambda B2 vector. Take any point S on the line L1 with position vectors A1 vector A1 vector, and take any point T on the line L2 with position vector, that is A2 vector, position vector A2 vector. Then the magnitude of the shortest distance vector, will be equal to the projection of ST. The magnitude of this shortest distance vector will be equal to the projection of ST along the direction of the line of shortest distance. If PQ, that is line segment PQ, is the shortest distance vector, PQ line segment is the shortest distance vector between line 1 and line 2, then it being perpendicular to both B1 vector and B2 vector, that is perpendicular to both B1 vector and B2 vector, the unit vector n cap is a unit vector that is along line segment PQ. So therefore n cap is equal to, that is B1 vector magnitude of B2 vector dividing by magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector. So where n cap is a unit vector, this is perpendicular to both vector B1 and B2 vector, that is B1 vector into, that is cross product B2 vector dividing by magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector, then PQ line line segment is equal to d n cap, where d is the magnitude of the shortest distance vector, that is, let theta be the angle between, that is, ST line segment. That is, let theta be the angle between ST and PQ line segment. PQ line segment. Then PQ is equal to PQ line segment is equal to ST into magnitude of cos theta. But cos theta is equal to cos theta equals, that is, magnitude of PQ line segment dot ST line segment dividing by PQ magnitude into ST magnitude, say cos theta. Then cos theta is equal to, therefore cos theta is equal to magnitude of PQ is d dot n cap into A2 vector minus A1 vector dividing by, so d into ST. Here, since ST is equal to A2 vector minus A1 vector, so therefore cos theta is equal to, cos theta equals magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector dot A2 vector minus A1 vector, so dividing by ST into B magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector magnitude. Hence, the required the shortest distance is given by d equals magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector dot A2 vector minus A1 vector dividing by magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector. So, which is the vector form of equation of two skew lines? Then Cartesian form of equation of two skew lines. Now Cartesian form, the shortest between the two skew lines, that is L1, is L1 x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1, and L2 line 2, so x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 dividing by c2. So in a Cartesian form, the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2, L1 is x minus x1 by a1 equals y minus y1 by b1 equal z minus z1 by c1, and line 2 x minus x2 by a2 equals y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. Then the shortest distance between the lines is equal to, that is d is equal to magnitude of, that is determinant of x minus x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, second row a1, b1, c1, third row a2, b2, c2, dividing by, that is square root of, that is b1 into c2 minus c1 into b2 plus c1 into a2 minus a1 into c2 plus a1 b2 minus b1 a2. This is the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2. Which is the Cartesian form of equation of two skew lines. The next, distance between parallel lines. Distance between parallel lines, that is D equals magnitude of B vector dot a2 vector minus a1 vector dividing by magnitude of B vector. This is the shortest B vector cross. The short distance between parallel lines, two parallel lines, D is equal to magnitude of B vector cross a2 minus a1 vector dividing by magnitude of B vector. Now we shall go for examples. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Find the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2 whose vector equations are R vector is equal to I plus j plus lambda into 2i minus j 2i minus j plus k, and R vector is equal to 2i plus j minus k plus mu into 3i minus 5j plus 2k. So find the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2 whose vector equations are. The given vector equation is of the form, that is R vector is equal to A1 vector plus lambda into B1 vector, and R vector is equal to A2 vector plus mu into B2 vector. So comparing the vectors here, A1 vector is equal to I plus j, B1 vector is equal to 2i minus j plus k, and A2 vector is equal to 2i plus j minus k, and B2 vector is equal to 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Now find A2 vector minus A1 vector. What is A2? 2i plus j minus k minus A1 I plus j. Therefore A2 vector minus A1 vector is equal to I plus 0j minus k, or I minus k, and vector B1 cross vector B2 is equal to determinant of I, j, k. Write B1 vector components 2 minus 1 1, B2 vector components 3 minus 5 2. Therefore B1 vector cross B2 vector is equal to I into minus 2 plus 5 comes 3 minus j, 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1 plus k minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. Therefore B1 vector cross B2 vector is equal to 3i minus j minus 7k. B1 vector cross B2. Therefore B1 vector cross B2 vector magnitude is equal to root of 9 plus 1 plus 49, that is equal to root of 59. magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector is root of 59. So therefore, the shortest distance between the lines is given by D equals magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector dot A2 vector minus A1 vector dividing by magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector. Therefore, D equals B1 vector cross B2 vector, that is 3i minus j plus 7k dot A2 minus A1 I minus j dividing by root of 59. So therefore, D equals shortest distance between two lines, that is D equals magnitude of 3 plus 1 plus 0 dividing by root of 59. Therefore, D is equal to 4 dividing by 3 I minus k. I minus k here j0 plus 7 minus here minus 7k minus 7k, sorry, here also minus 7k, so minus into minus plus 3i plus j minus 7k or minus j. Therefore, D equals 10 dividing by root of 59. The next example, find the shortest distance between the lines vector r is equal to I plus 2j plus k, I plus 2j plus k plus lambda into I minus j I minus j plus k, and line 2 equation r vector is equal to 2i minus j plus k plus mu into or plus here minus k, mu 2i plus j 2i plus j plus 2k. Here r vector is equal to a1 vector plus lambda b1 vector, and r vector is equal to a2 vector plus mu, that is lambda into b2 vector. Here vector A equals I plus 2j plus k, B1 vector is equal to I minus j plus k, A2 vector is equal to 2i minus j minus k, and vector B2 is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k. Now find A2 vector minus A1 vector. A2 is 2i minus j minus k minus of I plus 2j plus k. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equal to I minus 3j minus 2k. A2 minus A1 is equal to I minus 3j minus 2k, and next find B1 vector cross B2 vector is equal to I j k. B1 is 1 minus 1 1, B2 is 2 1 2. Therefore, B1 vector cross B2 vector is equal to I minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 minus j. 2 minus 2 gets cancellation 0 plus k. 1 plus 2 3. Therefore, B1 vector cross B2 vector is equal to minus 3i plus or minus 0j plus 3k. So therefore, B magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector is equal to root of 9 plus 0 plus 9 is equal to root of 18 is equal to 3 root 2. Vector magnitude of B1 cross B2 vector is 3 root 2. Therefore, the shortest distance between the lines, that is D, is equal to magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector dot A2 vector minus A1 vector dividing by magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector. Therefore, D is equal to magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector is equal to minus 3i plus 0j plus 3k dot A2 minus A1 I minus 3j minus 2k dividing by B1 cross B2 vector magnitude 3 root 2. Therefore, D equals magnitude of minus 3 plus 0 minus 6 dividing by 3 root 2. Therefore, D is equal to magnitude of minus 9 dividing by 3 root 2. Therefore, D is equal to 3 ones are 3 threes are magnitude of minus 3 by root 2. Therefore, D is equal to 3 root 2 dividing by 2 units. 3 units. The next example, find the distance between the lines L1 and L2 given by R vector is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into 2i plus 3j plus 6k, and vector R is equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3j minus 5k plus mu into 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So find the shortest distance between the lines or distance between two parallel lines. Here line 1, vector b1 and b2 are same by using distance between parallel lines formula. Here vector a1 is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k, a2 vector is equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k, and vector b is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So now find a2 minus a1. a2 vector minus a1 vector is equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k minus of I plus 2j minus 4k. Therefore a2 vector minus a1 vector is equal to 3 minus 1 2i, 3 minus 2 plus j minus 5 plus 4 minus 1k. So a2 minus a1. The next find vector b cross a2 vector minus a1 vector, that is equal to I j k. So vector b components 2 3 6 a2 minus a1 components 2 1 minus 1. So therefore a vector cross a2 vector minus a1 vector equals I into minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 minus j minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 plus k, 2 minus 6 minus 4. Therefore vector b cross a2 minus a1 vector is equal to minus 9i plus 14j minus 4k. So therefore magnitude of vector b cross a2 minus a1 vector is equal to square root of minus 9 whole square 81 plus 14 square value 196 plus minus 416 is equal to 81 plus 196 plus 16, that is 293. 293. So therefore, distance between lines, that is D, equals magnitude of B vector cross A2 vector minus A1 vector dividing by magnitude of B vector. Therefore, D is equal to, so magnitude of that is square root of 293 dividing by B vector. Vector B is equal to 2I plus 3J plus 6K. Therefore, magnitude of B vector is equal to root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. Magnitude of B vector is equal to root of 49. Magnitude of B vector is equal to 7. Here magnitude of B vector is equal to 7. 7 units, or D equal to square root of 293 by 7 units. Okay students, stop here. So we'll continue in next class.